How to turn off and disable parent pin on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to roblox.com. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go in the top corner, click on settings. Now after click on settings, all what you have to do is simple. Click here on parental controls and you will find this parent pin is enabled. Click here and enter your pin like this and click unlock, and it's disabled successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.